Hi everybody, Sanbada, and welcome to my channel. Do make sure that you are subscribed and also do like the video. So listen, you guys, I do apologize for not doing the live, okay? I am still on sick leave and I'm not back there with the energy, you guys. I'm alive, especially all time on this require me to have a certain kind of energy, okay? And we had agreed with the Go that she would do the lives because me and Go have the same viewers, and it never makes sense for me and her to do the lives at the same time. We understand that, because sometimes people be thinking as colleagues, siyalo kanti hayi thina back, you know. Behind the scenes sithi ubani ozokwenza i-live, ayi Mamgo enza i-live, ngiyanqena namhlanje. So, since I've been off, you guys, Mom God did the live. Even last week, she did it. So I had asked her, is she going to do the live? She was like, listen, I wasn't planning to, but I can do it because I wasn't feeling it. I'm like, I just feel like my energy is not there to do the live. So she was going to do it, but also she ended up having some technical issues, so it didn't work out for her as well. But I had announced it on my community post for you guys to watch Mom Go, but it ended up not working out for her, okay? But that's the reason that she was going to do it, okay? It never makes sense for us to do it at the same time because we have the same viewers and we are all reviewing the same show. And I also want to watch Mom Go, and also Mom Go wants to watch me. So it just doesn't make sense for us to do it at the same time. But you guys, once I'm back to health, which hopefully next week, also Pella, I'm on sick leave at work. So now if I'm live on Facebook, you understand. Anyway, you guys, listen, episode 16 was giving Bioscope. Yabona lama movie lawo, like the local movies on Mzansi Wethu, you know. This episode was giving that. I was like, acting but bad acting, the audition, like when you do when they're auditioning for like a TV production and the queue was long and then they've auditioned everybody, but everybody was like a bad actor and they were looking for four actors, and then they realized that they've auditioned everybody. Now they're only left with four people on the queue and they were looking for four people, and they're like, hey, we might as well take the last four people that are there. Yeah, it looked like that, and they put the four people on the production, because what the hell were we watching in this episode? So okay, it's the suku of the Msebenzi. Okay, it's the day of the Msebenzi. The Msebenzi that is supposed to be Msebenzi for the Gogo Flow, Msebenzi to say the thank you, Msebenzi that is supposed to be for the number 5. Okay. Now, Mselego decides he's going to go I am Samo to say thank you to Gogo Flow. Someone asked in the comment section, Kanti, is Gogo Flow the only ancestor? I was like, I guess Gogo Flow never had no mother, never had no children. Like, it's Gogo Flow, guys. Like, Gogo Flow was the only grandmother, number one, and Gogo Flow never had no husband, because you never hear Musa Mselego talk about his grandfather. Gogo Flow never had no other child except for Maga Musa Mselego. Gogo Flow never had her own mother. Gogo Flow never had. Gogo Flow never had his cousins. Gogo Flow was in Gogo Flow because Gogo Flow never had no relatives, nothing. It's just Gogo Flow. It's the only ancestor in Gogo Flow. And Gogo Flow never rests because my tuyalala Gogo Flow bayamvusa Gogo Flow. So now they are going to the house where they are calling Gogo Flow, They go to the house. Obviously, Musamselego is weak because this man is sick. He's supposed to be on sick leave, just like me. Me, I had a migraine for like a few days, and now I'm not doing my lives. Musamselego had a whole stroke, but he is over there shooting a reality show. Me, I'm complaining that I can't do a live for 1 hour. Musamselego is over there shooting 24 episodes of the show. Even though he's weak, he can't walk, he can't see. The left side is whatever, but he's shooting a reality show. The way I'm lazy, me. The way me, I'm lazy. So ke Musamseleko is weak, but he's going there. Macele is there, you know. The other ones don't show up. Okay. Macele is there. Macele says that he wasn't aware that he was aware that Umakumalo and Mangwabe were not going to be there. I think that's what she said. But she thought that Umayin was going to be there. But Mayin is not there. And I was like, I'm not shocked that Mayeni is not there, because why would she go when she was told about the Msebenzi and the goats were already in the Tsegeni? You know, the goats were already there at Tsegeni, Mzini Gayena, but she was only told then that it's the Msebenzi of the Coco Flow. She was invited to umcimbi of her own, you know, her own umcimbi. She was invited. Fine, okay, the kids were there. And listen, you guys, I don't know. I don't know if Umacele was promised more salary this season, because she, for some reason, she has decided to participate in the ridiculousness. She really has committed herself to participate in the ridiculousness, Kamseli. First, the ridiculousness that is number 5. Because the whole story number 5 is ridiculousness. Your man is sick, ma'am. Okay, so your man had sugar, you know. Mangwabe told us because your man had sugar before your man had the stroke. If my man had diabetes, guys, and he said he was looking for number 5, I am putting my foot down. You are not taking another wife when you have diabetes. You know, there is no way that I'm going to even think about, you know, even saying yes to my. Listen, we are sitting here, we are figuring out to see, you know, how do we get rid of sugar, you know. If unoshukela, hey, so keep kanjani ushukela kuwena, then ukuthi uthathe omunye unkosikazi. So even the story side number 5 is ridiculous, because Umseleko was already not well. We were just not aware ukuthi he had health issues. So his stroke was just another thing that, you know, was to show us because he's not well, but the wives already knew that he wasn't well. Umangwabe told us that he already wasn't well. They knew that he already wasn't well. So Umacele, for some reason this year, she decided that she wants to be phakathi in the ridiculousness. Whatever ridiculousness her husband is doing this year, she is going to be involved. So of course she was there in the patlaring for Coco Flow. I get told they are there, and uzamile ukuguqa Umseleki, he tried to kneel down, but the stroke was like, you know, the after effects of the stroke, so he ended up sitting down, guys. You can see, guys, like his speech is affected, and also when he's speaking, the breathing is like it almost like siyacela, it almost the siyacela breathing, like ithathela kodwa kodwa uyabona ukuthi it's phela for yena it's because he is sick, and then the speech is also affected. So, you know, and also, you guys, I feel like his brain is affected. I think the reason that his speech is affected is because his brain is affected. So mhlawumbe abantu abaziyo medically they can explain it. So ngathi his speech is slurring, kuba ne-delay kwe-speech because mhlawumbe the brain is affected. I don't know, guys, but something is happening where you feel like indlela akhuluma ngayo Umseleko has changed. If you are somebody that we listen to him too much, it's in season 1, you know. So okay, he starts talking Msam, while he's even struggling to speak. I felt like Msam, he should be saying thank you Gucci and Sindile, thank you Gucci, I'm still alive and whatever, please continue to heal me, you know, all of that. But hey, you know, he starts talking about usine ukuthi nangu nosine unjani njani, usine fanele asukume enzeni. Listen, you guys, usine yazi, guys, yes, usine yazi uyahlupha, but for some reason she always just takes it ubaba makhuluma ngaye. something that I wouldn't be able to do it. Every time ubaba wakhe says something, I would think ukuthi uSne is gonna be like, hey, ngikhathele mina ubaba eshiya izinto ngami. But uSne always says, no, vele ubaba angimhloniphi, so ngiyam-understand ubaba mayesho kanje. And then to Umpumelelo, and then I say, vele Umpumelelo, he said something about Umpumelelo noSne abafana bazona iy'ngane ezifanayo, but angifuni uMpumelelo athole iy'ngane athi uzitholela mina. Like I didn't understand where that was coming into Uphahla, because he was doing umsebenzi to say thank you for surviving the stroke. That was the whole purpose, to say thank you to Gogo Flo. And he also had said to his wife that he wanted to say thank you to them for supporting him and supporting his dream. Now, where was Sne and Pumelelo's kids coming in? I don't know. Okay, that's why I'm saying what is not like, he needs to go for therapy, heal physical therapy, speech as well, ubumsele akekho right, usadinga ukuthi aye ku-treatment kahle kahle. So they just rushed it too much ukuthi abuyele emsebenzini. It is not right. So he did, you guys, say nendaba yokuthi amakhosikazi akhe they are not there, but what choice does he have? They were not. He was not supposed to give them a choice when it comes to when umsebenzi, whether they are there or not. They are just supposed to come. But then, if they're supposed to do umsebenzi and they're not there, what is he supposed to do? So afterwards, angithi kunembuzi laphayana, the goats are there, and I guess somebody is supposed to slaughter the goats. He ends up saying Abo was going to help the boys to slaughter the goats. Now, you guys, I was like, this is a very strange family, you guys, because listen, my family is a family that does not have like a lot of men. In my immediate family, we only have my brother. But if we have a goat to be slaughtered, there is going to be, we will have relatives that will slaughter that goat. We will have relatives, we will have men that will be like this, that will be available to slaughter that goat. Like, we don't have men in my family, but we will find there will be. Like a neighbor, whatever, but even relatives, if we say it's okay, malume sibanibani, bhuti sibanibani, bhuti sibanibani, bhuti sibanibani, you understand what I mean? Like, I feel like if we were them Selekos, that will mean that my brother and my son, my son, and my sister's son, they would be the only 3 people now to slaughter the goats if we were them Selekos, because those were the Seleko boys were supposed to be the only ones now to slaughter the goats. Like, I was like, they don't have an uncle, the cousins, the whatever to come and help them with the goat. Like, kamseleko kunjani? Bapha baziphi ihlobo? Bapho omakhelwane ke bona baphi? No, emsamo, yeah, I understand emsamo, the family is supposed to be there, but masekuslotharwa, there are people that come and help you with that. Bapha abantu kamseleko, that thing is just like strange, you guys. Now remember that they had said that the Ndaba people are coming, and we had discussed, because in the Ndaba people are actually people for themselves. The people bagandaba, abantu bakamseleko, because abantu bagandaba, abantu bagandaba, the Ndaba is isithakazelo samseleko. So we figured what finally we would meet the Mseleko family, because all Ndaba umseleko. Now, you guys, you're not going to believe this, but I guess some of you will believe it because you saw it. It's not like these people that are coming to visit abantu bakamseleko umseleko. Because if I tell you ukuthi kuzabantu bakamdletshe bazongivakashela, kuzabantu bakamdletshe, you are going to think abantu abazalana nami. You're going to think, oh, my sisters, my cousins. You're not going to think it's people I met on Facebook. Like on Facebook, for an example, there's a group yakamdletshe, There's a group yakamdletshe where everybody wakamdletshe, and they talk about that, and then they share what's it. Sometimes they will have events where they say go meet abantu wakamdletshe, but it's people that you don't know. You're not. It's like it's because sabakamdletshe, but it's just abanye baseGoli, abanye bakuphi, abanye bakuphi, abanye bakuphi. Niyabuzana uzalo bani, ini. Sometimes people will come and say, guys, please help me find my father. Kuba makamdletshe kuphi kuphi. Abanye they will find obaba balahleka and stuff like that. Mseleko, the Ndaba people that are coming are people that he found like that. It's not like biological, like mina I'm thinking mhlawumbe abantu udadewabo kamawakhe udadewabo kababa wakhe or something. By the way, uphi ubaba kaMseleko? I was like, how? It's people that even him he doesn't know that are coming to visit. Even his wives don't know these people. Because even Umakela was like, I've never been around these people, so I don't really know this. I was like, Baiskobo. I think Umseleko, because people have been asking ever since the season began, where are the people Bamseleko? Eventually, he just decided to give us some random people from Kwaduma on Facebook. We just found some people on the internet, a group of people about Duma, and invited them. And then made up a story ukuthi bona bazalwa umazinye egoli, and then this one's uzalwa umazinye esilver, yena uzalwa umazinye egoli, and then just made up something to say they are related to these people. So these people arrived. Now they are looking around. Those people look like they were lost. They were looking like even they themselves were asking themselves, what the hell are we doing here? Ngathi kuvele kwashow up ibhasi yabathatha laba bantu yababeka kaMseleko. Even them you could see ukuthi they were looking like, what the hell are we doing here? Even them, they were looking like, Aibo, senzani lana? What are we doing here? They were looking like that. They were looking like, oh, okay, sizelana. For what? Hayi bafika ke, and I think when they came, phela uma cela usebenza wena, guys, listen. I know I have an up and down relationship with Umak. Like I have a very unhealthy and a toxic relationship with Umakhumalo. Today I like Umakhumalo. So ningazingeni indaba zami noMakhumalo. Uyabona when it comes to me and Makhumalo ngazingeni, yabo. Ngoba nizozingena kusasa ngiyamthanda Umakhumalo. Tomorrow we are breaking up. Ningazingeni zami noMakhumalo. Today ngiyamthanda, okay? Ngayingeni. Don't enter between me and Makhumalo. Because today Makhumalo was like, angiko pheka, angiko siza. I'm not a yebo baba. I'm not serving anybody. In fact, I'm cooking insurance namhlanje. Oshayisa imoto uyayishayisa. She was like, imoto eshayisa namhlanje uyashayisa, ngikhokhwa insurance. So Macele was up and down shame. Which is good for her. It should have been maybe waiting up and down. So they came in that they were supposed to go to was not ready. By I was like, so they went to the wives arrive. I was like, curiosity killed the cat, because they didn't want to go, but they were like, man, they were like, we can't not go. We want to see what this man is about. Bafake ishweshwe zabo. Shik. But he has got ishweshwe zabo bengangichaza. I was like, hayi mana amakhosikazi kaMseleko. This isn't. I was like, ziphi ishweshwe zenu ezinhle man. I was like, hey, okay, it's okay. I was like, hey, okay, it's okay. Let's not, okay. Hayi ke bafika ngamakhosikazi. Bafika umayeni. Bafika uMangabe. uMahambane. Wafika bahambayo. Wafika wahlala ke, wafika no phela uMakhumalo nje okwakhe wafika nengubo enempiko. Wandiza uMakhumalo wahlala, wafika nomayeni naye wafika wahlala. Hey, umacela uMangile uthi hayibo, apha amakhosikazi kaMseleko. Hey, ngathi mina hey angithi wena wathi wena ushadi nendoda awushadanga nendoda yomuntu seba phela indoda angithi awushadanga nendoda yomuntu wena neke nansi indoda yakho nabo abantu bakubo sebenza mano angithi wena awufuni wena indoda ilale kamakhelwane sebenza mano hayi ke guys, so they came here. So afterwards, the people from the other house, they came. And then there was that guy, that guy who was taking another wife. Remember back in early season, he was taking a second wife and kicked out the first wife. And then they helped him to say, don't be stupid. When you're taking the second wife, you must not kick out the first wife. Then he brought back the first wife. I don't know why they did that to the first wife, because the first wife had already been saved from the misery, so they brought back the first wife. That Butfugile was part of the group. So they brought him back. So now, guys, the wives are sitting there. Peluma Umayen is like, they didn't go to the Mpepo. The Mpepo was attended by Macele only. And then there's a catering, but everything else Macele is responsible. But in Dr. Yakosis, Oshatanga when another woman is your man. And if you didn't marry a man's person, you didn't marry a man's person. So it's your man and your man only. It's now we married a man's person when you didn't marry a man's person. So now they are now in the same house. The wives are sitting there at the table. People are sitting there. Everybody in the group is still just looking like they're like, where are we? What are we doing here? You know? Maybe like 2 people understood why they were there. The rest of them just looked like they were like, Senzani lana. What are we doing here? You know? Hi, now oh, before they came back, and guys, let me tell you something. If you thought Mseleko looked weak last week, he looked weaker today. Like he looked like he looked weaker than he was last week. So I'm not even understanding why they're continuing to shoot at this point. You know, I don't know why they're continuing to shoot. So wahamba Mseleko wayoshintsha, guys, wagqoka isuit. Guess which color? I black. I brown. I navy. I purple. I red. Hayi bo sengithi I red. Uyabo lo red lo. Futhi maroon. Yabo this curtain. No. Inchi isuit. Inje isuit kaMseleko. Le eneshirt elibopha kanje. Eneshirt elibopha kanje. Enetop elibopha kanje. Esihamba kanje. You guys, when I catch umthungi kaMseleko red, waqhamuka uMseleko red, I'm like, yo. Manje all of the vibes manje was yo, waswenka. Bathi manje mfethu vele washawa red. Umayeni is like, "Hayi. Manje vele wagqoka red." Uma ngobe nayo hawu manje red. Noma cela sikodwa mfethu. Manje wavele nje washawa red. Red, guys. Imagine this color, but make it even more. Where am I gonna get? I don't have a red thing here in my drawer. I don't have. It would be better even if it was like that. But ngenibone le lona. Ngenibone le color la ngoba ngizobe nginqamlile lento leni. Ngizobe ngingilo. Okay, on this part of the video I'll show you this one. Yo! Angaswenkile uMseleko ebofu. Hayi ke. Bese ke bethi sebehlangene ke guys ke bese ke eyasho uMseleko ke speech ke sakhe ukuthi okay amakhosikazi ami lawa ini, so I wanted to show you number 5, but since they don't want to participate in the number 5 issue, I'm going to take you guys outside the gate. He's going to take the family outside the gate to meet number 5 outside of the gate, so that they can meet number 5 there at the gate, and then they can come back to the house. Hey, Bo. And then get Budvukile stands up and say, Mseleko, first we want to hear from the wife if they have a problem with meeting number 5 here. Hayi ke yasuka ke into. uMakhumalo wathi, phela uMakhumalo mncane usakhumbula nokuthi kuphakanyiswa kanjani esikoleni. Wathi uMakhumalo wathi ke Budvukile, wathi nje okokuqala ke, you must ask the people that organize this event, because now we know nothing about the number 5. We know nothing about the meeting of number 5. So you must ask the people that organize this event. You don't ask us. Ask Macele and his person or her person. Ask the people that organize this event that question of whether was yes or no. Asazi lutho thina ngaleyo nto leyo. Wathi ehlala phansi uMakhumalo waphakamisa uMangwabe. Wathi uMangwabe, the only thing I know here is that ngizele themsebenzi. I wasn't told anything about number 5, so I was invited to themsebenzi. Wathi ehlala phansi uMangwabe, then uMayeni raised her hand. Wathi nje, me, I know nothing about anything else. I only know about, themsebenzi too. So you are asking the wrong people. Okay, and I think Umseleko is just playing with this thing at number 5. I think it's a sketch. This thing at number 5, I think it's a sketch, and I'm not thinking that he's serious, because if he was serious, he wouldn't do it like this. But in the diary, Umayin was like, this one, I don't know what to get up. I don't know why. Who gave him permission to just stand and say things like that? He's disrespecting Gogo Flo, standing like that and telling us nonsense. Mzinga Flo. Listen, you guys. The whole thing seemed like a sketch of them standing one after the other, and it looked rehearsed. I was like, I see you. Because all of them had doubts about going to that event. So it's very suspicious that all of them ended up going. And then at the end, that raising of the hand one after the other. And let's not forget to go to, they have a WhatsApp group, those women, all of them. They have a WhatsApp group, ask a call. They have a WhatsApp group, those women. So, and we saw it live, uMakhumalo ehlohla uMangwabe ethi asiye. So I feel like kune WhatsApp group abayivulile without uMacele. Ngoba uMacele uthi yena, she did tell them, uthi at that meeting they had at her house, she did tell them that it was, the msebenzi was about number 5. She did tell them what it was about number 5. So she's shocked. How come they're saying they don't know? Because it's about number 5. So I feel like they rehearsed it in the WhatsApp group. And the WhatsApp group was opened by uMakhumalo. What I don't understand is how she ended up adding Umayeni to the WhatsApp group. But I guess she looked at the bigger picture. She was like, listen, you are not Dululu. Just for today, you are not Dululu. Let me add you to the WhatsApp group. They rehearsed it because it was just too by scope for me. It was just too by scope. So that was the episode for me. Listen, you guys, I would have been excited about this drama normally, but it's just too much acting. There's something about it that is just not, it's like, I shy corner. ayishayi khona. Anyway, thank you so much. Nginithanda kakhulu. Sizohlangana la kuma-comments.